on this small.
Alright, today we're going to be learning how to get cheats onto your iPod gpSPhone. In order to do this, you're going to need WinSCP and Visual Boy Advance, obviously. So first, what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to make a save file on whatever Pokemon or whatever kind of game you got. Once you got that done, you want to plug it into your computer, open up WinSCP, put in your IP address, and then you're going to want to put in the username, which is root, and the password is Alpine. Once you have that done, just a second now. Alright, now once that's done, you want to go back one, then you're going to go mobile, media, ROMs, then GBA. You'll find all your ROMs, your saves, and all your BIOS here. So what you want to do, you're going to want to go to the save of the game you're playing, such as me, I'm playing Pokemon Ruby. You'll say Pokemon Ruby.sav. In your case, it'll be maybe Pokemon Emerald.sav. But what you want to do, you want to get that, and you're going to want to save it to the same spot your Virtual Boy Advance is. I'm just going to bring it to the desktop for now. Here it is. This is where I keep my Virtual Boy Advance and all the stuff. I'll put it in here with where my Pokemon Ruby is, or my Virtual Boy Advance, sorry. And I'm going to move and replace. In your case, you're probably just going to move it there. If you have a Visual Boy Advance, sorry, I've been saying that wrong the whole time. If you have Visual Boy Advance on your desktop, then you can put Pokemon Ruby, your save, whatever it is, and put it on your desktop with that. Now, you're going to want to go open Visual Boy Advance, and you're going to go, oh wait, I forgot. First, you're going to want to go, before you copy all that in, I already have it done, but you're going to want, when you get to your save, right-click it, go to Properties, and go down to Octal in Permissions, and there's going to be a number in this little rectangle. Put it 0777, and press OK. Now once you have that done, you can obviously copy it over. Once that's copied over, you set up the ROM of your game, whatever you're playing on your gpSPhone. Then you want to go down to Import, in File, in Visual Boy Advance, File, Import, Battery File. Then go to the folder or your desktop, wherever your Visual Boy Advance is. Then you'll find your save there. Click on that, then open it. It'll ask you this little thing, importing a snapshot will erase any files and blah blah blah. Click OK. Now, give it a second to load. You can skip past it if you want, like I do. And then you'll find your save here. Start it up. Now, you'll see here, I'm just messing around. What you want to do, you're going to want to go to your cheats, in Visual Boy Advance, cheat list, and it'll be a bunch of things here. Codebreaker happens to be action replay, so that might get you a bit mixed up, but I prefer to use GameShark, doesn't matter, either one. You can go to supercheats.com, see this here, then you're going to want to go GBA section right there, and I'll show you all these walkthroughs and whatnot. Go to Pokemon Ruby, or whatever Pokemon you use. That's what I prefer, is Pokemon. And then you go, and here it'll show a bunch of selections, cheats, user submitted cheats, all that stuff. GC code, GS codes is GameShark codes, AR codes happens to be action replay codes. Go to GameShark if you're using GameShark, AR if you're using action replay. I prefer this. And then you're going to find all these codes here. Choose whatever code you want. Copy it. Oh, just so you know, these first codes here, these ones don't work, so don't use it. Go down a bit further, and you'll find it. Here's the one I use. This is to get whatever Pokemon you want. But make sure before you start anything, you'll find the master code. Put in the master code first. Just copy it. I just press Control C then, so you know I copied. You open up the Game Shark selection. Type in the description, which is master code. Well, it doesn't really matter. Anything you want to name it. And your code, you paste it. Press OK. You see the master code? They're both in. Now, let's just say you want to have, I don't know, a Weedle, for example, just to show up on your first Pokemon you find. Hover over that, copy it, and do the same thing as you did before. Name it like Weedle, I guess. Press OK. Then you press OK. Now, I'll get out of this place real quick now.